In this video, we'll be showing you how we cut a pineapple. We're going to start off by cutting off the bottom and the top of the pineapple. Then, once that's done, we'll go ahead and stand it upright. Then taking the knife, we're going to go ahead and cut off the outside skin. Now when doing this, you may have some little brown spots that remain, but you can simply remove those with a spoon to preserve as much of the fruit as possible. So you're just going to take the knife, go around and remove all of the skin like so. After that is finished, we're going to go ahead and lay the pineapple down and then cut it in half. Now that we have two halves, we'll take the knife and cut the pineapple along the core. We don't want to cut into the core, as that is a part that we don't want to eat on the pineapple given how tough it is. So we're just making sure to cut off all of the tender fruit around the core of the pineapple. Once one half is finished, we'll move on and do the exact same thing to the other side. And that is how we cut a pineapple. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.